Greetings, fellow minds. Today we embark on a linguistic journey, unraveling the mysteries of a seemingly inconspicuous number, 13. But make no mistake, my friends, for in the world of language, every detail is a piece of the puzzle, and mastery is our ultimate goal. The number 13. In English, it's just a number. But in the intricate tapestry of Spanish, it transforms into a linguistic marvel known as trece. Simple, yet profound. To master a language, one must conquer the basics, and today, we focus on the enigma that is 13 in Spanish. Why bother, you ask? Knowledge is power, my friends. In a world where communication is the key to influence, learning the basics of Spanish, starting with trece, opens doors to new realms of understanding. Imagine standing tall in the heart of Madrid, confidently ordering your café con leche, or negotiating a deal in the bustling markets of Mexico City. It's not just about numbers, it's about seizing control of your narrative. Now, my disciples of intellect, let's discuss the secrets to imprinting trece into your cerebral cortex. Visualize, repeat, integrate. These are the keys to linguistic supremacy. Use them wisely, and soon, you'll find yourself effortlessly uttering trece, as if you were born to command the Spanish language. In conclusion, my linguistic compatriots, the journey to mastery begins with the humble trece. Embrace it, wield it, and watch as the world bows to your linguistic prowess. Now, to take your Spanish learning to the next level, visit our website in the description below.